Do I need planning permission for my air source heat pump? The good news, the government has made it easier now to install heat pumps by relaxing the rules. So for most installations, they will fall now in permitted development. Here's the key things. You're now allowed to put the heat pump as close to your boundary as you like. If the heat pump is mounted above ground level, it must not be visible from the road frontage though. If you have a detached home, multiple heat pumps may be required, cascade system. You're allowed to install them as long as the total unit size is below or equal to 1.5 meters squared for the case. If it's larger, you're going to have to submit planning for these units. And in most cases, this will cover up to about two fanned units. A few important things still to keep in mind. You still have to pass your sound assessment, meet the manufacturer's requirements, refrigerant clearances still apply, and permitted development does not mean in certain conservation areas or certain listed buildings that it will pass. A few important things: permitted development does not apply to conservation areas, certain listed buildings, so it's always best to check with your planning authority. And one crucial reminder, if your installation does require planning permission, then it is your responsibility as a homeowner to make sure you apply for it, not the installers. If permission isn't secure when it's needed, your local planning department could ask you to relocate or even remove the units. Of course, as your trusted installer, we are here to guide you and support you as much as we can.